Here's your starting lineup for Sarasota. That one, Elliott Fan 9 and Mike Shinoda. Jake Sheehan and Jimbo. Toto and Bandwagon Kid. Lauren and Andrew Miller. Nathan Stapleton and Richard Herman. Tyson and Marissa. Christian Horner and Mark Davison. Wyatt and Derek. Drives like Larson and Connor Breton, who's subbing again for Connor Fagan, who's sick. David Land and Tom Jonas. Travis and Chris Todd. And Jeff Scott. What is up, guys? As we are here at Sarasota for race number 4 of the Sun Energy One Cup Series. On the pole, Mike Shinoda. Second, that one, Elliott Fan 9. Row 2, Jimbo Johnson and Jake Sheehan. Row 3, Bandwagon Kid and Toto. Row 4, Top Dragster and Lauren Brazil. Row 5, Richard Herman and Nathan Stapleton. Row 6, Marissa DeMeo and Throwaway. What was that, row 8? No, that's row 6. Row 7, Mark Davison and Christian Horner. Row 8, Wyatt and row 8, Wyatt and Derek Hamill. Row 9, a driver doing a one-off race in the 00. That's none other than Connor Breton. Drives like Larson starts next to him. Then that's Mantreon and David Land behind them. Behind Mantreon and David Land, we have Chris Tejada and Travis Crampton. And then we have in the 17, first time racing, that will be Jeff Scott. Here we go. As the green flag's in the air here at Sarasota. As that one, Elliott Fan 9 and Mike Shinoda battle for it in this 2-lap burst. That one, Elliott Fan 9 will win stage 1. Mike Shinoda second. Jimbo third. Jake Sheehan. No, it was Mike Shinoda first. It was that one, Elliott Fan 9. Mike Shinoda. Jake Sheehan. Jimbo. Bandwagon Kid and Toto. Your top 6. As the green comes back, drivers 3 wide all the way behind him. Mike Shinoda gets shoved up the way by Jimbo, which is gonna let that one, Elliott Fan 9, get it. So it's that one, Elliott Fan 9, Jimbo Johnson, Bandwagon Kid, Jake Sheehan, Toto, and drives like Larson 01. Oh, as pit road is a factor. Pit road was a factor which put Chris Tejada and Connor Breton up front. Green's back in the air. As Connor Breton flips. Big crash. Oh no. The race is over. Chris Tejada's gonna get the win. Chris Tejada. It was Chris Tejada, Mike Shinoda, drives like Larson 01. That one, Elliott Fan 9. Jeffers. And Throwaway. These are the cars that have finished. It was Chris Tejada, Mike Shinoda, drives like Larson 01. That one, Elliott Fan 9. Jeff Scott, Throwaway, Top Dragster, Richard Herman, and Marissa DeMeo. Congratulations to Chris Tejada on getting his first win in the 3rd season of the Sun Energy One Cup Series. I thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more. Peace.